What's going on, everyone? Bob Joe's Garage here. Wife's quad is having an extremely sticky throttle, so we're gonna attempt to clean the carburetor. So let's go, I guess. I'm gonna start by taking the airbox out, see if I can't get to it from there, or at least a little closer. I'm trying to do this without taking the plastics off, if I can help it. Use this clamp for the intake. So there's the flapper for the choke. So it's looking like I'm gonna have to at least pull the gas tank off so I can get to it better. Might as well just clean the carb while I'm in it. Now, I forgot to start with this at the start of the video. This is by no means a how-to. So, you're learning with me. Gas tank off. So, looking at the carb now, I'm going to try to get these little bolts off. And we'll pull this puppy off real quick. Choke. And there you have your carb. Oh, and gas all over you. It's not focusing, but. And just like that. Nice and clean. I mean, I'm sure they cleaned it back in the day, but it's for sure been over 10 years since it was last cleaned. And I don't think it was ran that much, but we've been using it a lot more on the property and going back and forth to the in-laws, so been having the sticky throttle issue for a while, so hopefully this will help. I'll throw her back together and see. I definitely think one of the most frustrating parts of this job so far is not having the correct tools, because I have everything and then some that I would need at work in my toolbox, and I don't have jack shit here, so that sucks. Now, you want to make sure that you do get this lined up with that little pin down there. That feels a lot better already. Before, you could feel the resistance. And I've put plenty of WD-40 down here, just thinking maybe there's something in the line. Might be worth getting a new throttle cable anyway, if I could find one for it. But for now, that feels 100 times better. So what it would do is you'd be going along. Already it's kind of hard to keep it at the same RPMs just because it was so tight, and then it'd be loose, and then tight and loose. But sometimes you'd be going, go to shift, and the throttle would stay stuck on, and it would try to run away from you if you weren't paying attention or you're in the corner or something. That could be a little fun. Almost took out the fence once. All right, here we go. Choke on. Take it. So like I said before, this is not a how-to. This was just a needed done project. So it's about 12:30 at night, almost 1. So I'm gonna go to bed and try it out tomorrow and see how it does. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, comment, hit that thumbs down, because I know there's a bunch of you out there that are gonna think this is a how-to. It's not. So thanks for watching.